Hey, so I'm back out here in southern Alabama where we finally finished our beautiful ground mounted solar array. And as you can see, the weather is perfect. So this system is in the process of being powered on so that we can get these batteries charged and have the system producing a huge amount of power. So again, we've got 48 of the SIlfab US made solar modules, and well, in conditions like this, they are going to put out some real power. So we got them mounted to this ground mount array we spent a lot of time putting together. Got through the tricky soil conditions, and really we're able to put something that's gonna stand the test of time together. So thanks to our friends at Unirac, and of course Green Tech Pensacola for helping us get everything together here. And yeah, just a really nice install. A lot of people say, well, solar power is about saving money on your energy bills, and that's true. There is always some savings to be had, but when you have a system like this, again, ground mounted, it's 2 arrays, so 48 modules total, split into 2, and then we have it paired with a backup generator. And the real key to the system is in our shed here. I'm going to sort of have Adrian explain a little bit about it, but we've got 2 Solar 15 kWs and then 2 stacks of Homegrid, each with a stack of 4, so 4.8 kilowatt hours. And the system's sort of wired where if any one part of it stopped working for whatever reason, the rest of it's still going to work the way that it's been wired in, everything. And this system is really about the ultimate in resilience. So we've got a beautiful array. There's no point making it look terrible. So we've angled that perfectly to capture all this beautiful sunlight we get here in southern Alabama. And then going to 2 inverters, giving that resiliency, that independence. So if one inverter goes down, the other one is still there to pick up the slack. And then the 2 stacks of batteries. One of the beautiful things about the Homegrid batteries is that you can expand, and the homeowner here may want to expand his storage capability later on, but he also has this generator for backup power if there's ever a long-term grid outage. But as you can see, with the amount of sunlight we get, I doubt that generator is ever going to kick in. So really awesome system. And I've got my buddy Adrian here again. He's helped us through this one. So Adrian, say hello.
Hello again. How's everybody doing?
Just was hoping you could take a minute to sort of explain this beautiful setup here and how it's all been put together.
So we got 2 15 kW solar converters. They're parallel in these junction boxes to parallel with the battery, so it all acts as one big system instead of 2 separate systems. We have 19.5 kW solar, so it'll charge very beautifully. It's each battery is 19 kW as well. The stacks, it's 19 kW. Everything's paralleled, and we are set up. I just turned it back on. We should be making power here shortly.
Question: if one of these inverters goes out, will the other one pick up the slack?
It should.
Yeah. So one inverter goes down, you still have the 2 arrays.
Yes.
It's gonna, keep the whole system going.
It should. Still figuring that out, but I believe so.
Okay. How has Solar customer support been?
Really quick to respond, really good. So far happy with it. So
Yeah, they're pretty beastly inverters.
yes,
I mean,
yes, they are. They definitely seem well built. Better than other brands I've worked on. I do like 48 volt systems, so this is something I'm definitely.
this is the Solar Nerd project.
It
right?
is. It is. This has got my attention because I do like 48 volt batteries. You know, started on off grid stuff, so.
Cool.